Hey, it's Gina from WTI. I want to introduce you to the ultimate companion for your next camping, hunting, road trip, picnic outing, whatever kind of outdoor activity that you're doing that you need to keep things ice cold. I am so impressed with this cooler from All Top. So the 2-inch insulation on this keeps things so cold. Now, of course, I had to try it out and see if their claim that things would stay cold for 5 to 7 days was accurate. Let me show you a clip from day 7. I have already unlocked the handles. Check this out. There's still ice in here. Like, this is so amazing. I'm also going to show you the progression. Here's day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I stopped on day 6, but then I checked again on day 7. I'm so stoked that the next time I go camping and I'm not close enough to make an ice run every few days, it's not going to matter because things will still stay fresh and cold in this cooler. A couple other things about it that I think are just outstanding. For one, it has a basket inside. Now, I don't know if this happens to you, but we always take eggs in the cart and camping, and the cardboard ends up getting completely soaking wet, and then we end up cracking all our eggs. Well, now that doesn't have to happen. This comes with 2 bottle openers. I love that too because I'm always forgetting things like that when we go camping. I was a little worried when I tried to open it one time and I could not get the lid to budge. And then I discovered that you do have to release the pressure with the water release valve. So if you just crack that open a little bit, it opens the pressure and then easy peasy, you can just clip this thing right open. This All Top Overland Equipment cooler is top of the line. We just love it, and that's my point of view.